everybody, and welcome back to the knitting headquarters in Norway.
Sit and knit for a bit. Christmas countdown with Arne and Carlos, and we are, as always, your hosts.
Arne and Carlos.
And here we are in our lovely little headquarters. We have been coming in every single day. Today is December 19th. I think it is. I think it's December. Yes. It's definitely December 19th today. I mean, who could blame us for being a little confused? We come in every morning. The Christmas elves have done little things to our headquarters to confuse us, and then on top of it all, we have to remember the date. And we are in COVID after all. I mean, we don't have it, but we're under our own self-imposed lockdown, so obviously we tend to forget the days.
And we have like so many candles lit up, so it's so warm. Every day is so warm in there.
But cozy. Yeah.
But first, Carlos, we have to do some formalities.
Okay.
And today we're gonna try to do it like in a different way. So today I'm gonna say this podcast is supported by Prym. And check out the link below for more information.
Perfect. And then I get to say Prym Ergonomics, the new generation of knitting needles.
Did you look at the note you had?
I didn't look at any notes. No. I remember that. So there I got
you said ding and I forgot the bell again. I talked about the bell.
Oh, the notification bell?
Yeah, I talked about the bell now for many days and I always forget to bring
but I can do the ding ding ding. It's okay.
Ding ding ding.
Anyway, now that the formalities are over, I have to say that when I woke up and came downstairs and saw what the Christmas elves have done, they have brought in all this garland, these Christmas garlands, made from this very acrylic yarn called Tinsel, that I was hoping would be long forgotten.
This is just a few of them.
I know, and I think the colors are so gaudy, but Arne loves them, so what can I do? You know what we do?
Love them.
We actually put them up in the greenhouse, and actually in the greenhouse, by looking at them from a distance, they look lovely.
They look lovely in the greenhouse.
They do, yeah.
But
they do.
I think was it last year we tried them on the tree upstairs, but then we just picked the one that was in the same color scheme, and you didn't think about it. I think.
No, I didn't mind.
No, because if you pick colors that actually crash a lot on the Christmas tree, it gets a little bit too much. But from one ball of yarn, you can have. Is it 3 meters of Tinsel?
Yeah, so this is the insanity of this whole thing. I mean, it's not like Arne went to a store and bought these garlands. No, we were doing a workshop in the UK. A shout out to Black Sheep Wools. They're near Manchester. They're in Cheshire, where the cat is.
Well, you had the cat in Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah. Oh. So anyway, Black Sheep. We were doing workshops there, and you saw a basket of discounted yarn called Tinsel, and apparently they use this to knit.
They made animals,
teddy bears and things.
Stuff. Yeah.
And it's very acrylic, huh?
But I don't think it was discounted because. There's always new colors.
Oh, okay. So maybe it wasn't discounted, but the thing is,
I got a discount.
Yeah, and the thing is, this is very acrylic. So put this next to a flame and
be careful.
Yeah, be very careful.
The elves just put it around the candles, but I like these tinsels because they are a little bit old-fashioned.
Yeah, well,
and they don't shed. But it's a lot of acrylic in it, so you shouldn't put it too close to the fire, and don't put it in the washing machine. Is acrylic a lot of plastic? Fiber?
I think so, yeah. I think so. It's good for charity knitting, though. If you're doing things for charity, I think acrylic is good, and also for people with allergies. Yeah. But remember, wool. If you put wool next to a flame, wool will kind of
melt.
Yeah, it won't catch fire the way acrylic will. Anyway, from one thing to another.
I love the Tinsel. This one is black with blue, purple, and silver. Crazy. This is so beautiful.
And tell me, you I-corded everything here.
I did. I think we did a video on how we do it. I think we used 4
stitches. A couple of years ago, I think it was.
4 stitches on the needle and you I-cord.
Yeah, so...
It takes a long time.
So how many stitches? You cast on 4 stitches?
4, and then you just knit them and you squeeze... You
knit the 2 stitches?
Knit the 4 and you pull the stitches over to the other side and you take the yarn like this,
Yeah.
and then you knit again.
But you could also use one of those I-cord machines, couldn't you?
I don't know. We should try, because we have this I-cord machine, and we should try and see if that.
Well, Arne, the question is, I mean, we already have a lot of this tinsel. How much more do we need?
We need one in every color, and we haven't been to Black Sheep for a long time, so
Yeah.
they probably have new colors now. And this is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know there was one unfinished, and we have a red one, and a pink one,
Okay.
and a bluer one, and we have a silver.
Hmm. So tell me, which one's your favorite color of all these?
Right now, I really like this one.
Yeah.
But tomorrow,
God.
maybe this is my favorite. But
Ask
this
me.
is.
Don't ask me the question. Or
This
maybe
is
do.
probably the one I like the least.
Yeah, that's hideous.
Because it's kind of too white.
Yeah.
But if you put it next to gold, you can live with it.
So if
You think
I
this is hard? Tinsel is not you.
I'm not a fan of the I'm not a fan of the colors,
But
but
see, you can't have it with the ball.
that was my next question. So what if I start
No,
putting this
no,
on the
because
tree?
I think this tree. No.
What do you say?
No,
No?
it looks like it's like something from a gas station.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's kind of like how I feel with all of this tinsel, honestly. But
But this tree is just knitted balls and gold.
okay, so let's try the gold tinsel and see.
Don't do this. Not that kind of gold. Gold ornaments.
Okay. So
This actually doesn't look so bad.
oh please.
Maybe we should have more of this
No.
color. We can knit a little more.
I think it's hideous.
If the I-cord machine works, I can produce. You can produce.
No, thank you.
Actually, we have 2 of those machines.
Okay, but no. I don't like this tinsel, and I certainly don't like it on this Christmas tree. I like it in the greenhouse. I can accept that. Tell me, where inside this house do you think this tinsel is pretty?
Last year it was pretty upstairs on that tree because, as I said.
Yeah, but we only used one of the garlands, right?
No, we had like many, but they were like in the same color scheme.
Okay, well, we'll see about that.
No, but I'm not doing it this year.
Oh, okay, so you have another plan for this
I have
year.
another plan.
Okay, so anyway, this is a big no-no, right? You
Take
agree?
It out. Take it
You
out.
agree? But I
Yeah.
do think I have a garland
Huh?
that will look nice
Yeah,
on the
but not
Christmas
this
tree.
one. Take it down.
So this is a big no-no. There's no garland in this gaudy color going on the tree. However, we do have a garland
Yeah,
for the tree.
We have a garland for
Will
the
you
tree.
care to show us on it?
So we have this knitted ball with a garland.
There you
Surprise.
go. Surprise, surprise.
So we call this one the garland. So you can actually put the garland on this tree.
Yeah. I mean, it's a compromise. We're calling a Christmas ball garland, and wow, now we have a
on the
garland
tree.
on the tree.
But I have to say, like, I'm not so picky when it comes to what to put on the tree, but for the tree in this room, I'm very picky, and I think you
Yeah.
are too.
Oh yeah, I'm quite picky.
So this one has to be stylish. But upstairs.
Well, upstairs is the one with all the other stuff that we love and the stuff the kids make. But I still have my limitations on the garland. I mean, the colors, yeah, the color has to be right, and all of these end up in the greenhouse anyway. And that is the place where they definitely should go.
There will be a tree in the greenhouse.
Yeah.
And you know what day it is tomorrow, Carlos?
2nd, 3rd, 4th of Advent.
Sort of Advent.
Oh, that will be exciting. We'll be back with a Sit and Knit for a Bit podcast, a long one. The 30-minute one, and then we'll do the quick calendar
The 5
afterwards.
minutes.
Yeah. So if you've been watching us throughout the December, you'll know already that on Sundays we do a longer Sit and Knit for a Bit special. And then after the episode is done, we usually post the Christmas calendar. So that will be the same tomorrow. Now, December 19th means there's 5 days until Christmas Eve. And I am actually quite surprised over how well this has been going. I mean, we're still here in one piece. We've had
some accidents, but
yeah, we've had a few close accidents. We almost burnt Helmer's tail. We almost set the Christmas tree on fire. I almost burned my finger.
how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm pretty good. It's okay. I'm injured. So, but it's been okay. I mean, and imagine, think about all the things that we have already done.
Yeah.
I mean, cookies. We've got the 7 cookies in the box, as they say.
I think we're ready for
so Christmas can come. We've got our tree out very early. I mean, the tree came out already on December 1st. That's a first, for sure. And, as we go, we keep decorating it. We made our Christmas star in wood to put outside. And we've got another one. So we've got one in the studio and one in the main house. We brought out all our Christmas decorations to show you guys. And the good thing about that is that we've been able to sort things out.
I don't think we have brought out everything, Carlos. You said we brought out all our Christmas decorations.
I mean, we brought out some of our Christmas decorations, and we were able to repair a few little things that we saw that were a little broken.
Oh yeah, I saw a ballerina had lost one of her arms.
Well, yeah, and I almost lost a finger.
And you lost a finger. I don't know who I'm most sorry for, but...
Christmas is dangerous, I mean, we just have to all take care. So we've done quite a lot of things, and we're getting there. I'm going to have to wash the tablecloth before Christmas Eve, though, and get it perfectly ironed and get a stain off that is a little bit annoying. I'm going to try to,
You can cover it up with the Tinsels.
Yeah, work some magic.
Garlander. What's it called? Garlander?
Garland.
Garland.
Yeah, and we've got a stain we need to remove because somebody spilled his tea. I'm not saying names, but it was me. So,
was it? No, I thought I did it.
Oh, you spilled some tea as well. Oh, okay. So then we've got.
But I remember maybe I was on that side or this. I don't know. No. I don't know. But you said
Garland.
Garland. In Norwegian, that is girlander.
Girlander.
Yeah.
And before we called it garland, we actually just called this tinsel.
Yeah.
Because in Norwegian, basically what you call this is glitter.
Glitter.
And glitter means glitter. So that's the same in both languages.
And it's thick, it's like a girlander.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, we have a competition.
Yeah, but hang on, just one thing more. I think this is one of the few Christmas balls that goes over 2.
Yeah, this one goes over 2
charts because you go up here, right? And then, you go up here and then you go down there. So
you repeat what you see 2 times.
Yeah, this is one chart. And this is the second chart on the other side. We don't have that many. I do recall moose.
Moose.
And we have a few more that we haven't shown yet. But
yeah, I think it's only moose. And this one so far.
So far, so good. Yeah. And then of course we've got Winter Wonderland that we did, which is the 4 different sides. We did that a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got a few challenges in between. We hope you are enjoying knitting these balls with us. And if you're not knitting the balls with us, we hope you are enjoying whatever you're doing, whether you're baking cookies, doing your Christmas cleaning, ironing your tablecloths for your Christmas dinner, knitting or even wrapping your last minute gifts. This year we were early, weren't we?
We finished everything.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Almost everything.
Yeah, we've written our Christmas cards. I mean, Christmas cards, we started with those really early. We've done that. We've done all our gift shopping. Yeah. We've done most of our gift wrapping.
Yeah.
So we're kind of ready for Christmas. We're just waiting now.
And you just have to remember where like I have to remember where I hidden all the gifts for you.
Yeah.
Or not all, but the few.
Do you want to hear a story?
Yeah.
The other day I was going to do our laundry because I do the laundry here. I took up a big pile of clothes from the laundry basket.
Yeah.
And when I picked that up, there was something really hard in there. I was like, what is this? So I start looking, and I had forgotten that I had hidden your gift in the laundry.
Is that where you hide things?
No, I mean, I've never hidden it, but I thought it was a clever place because you never do your laundry.
What if you put it in the washing machine?
Well, yeah, that's the thing. I have COVID brain, which means I still have a little bit of an issue with my short-term memory.
That was a really stupid place.
Well,
what if I suddenly find out that, I want to put the stuff in the washing machine, which hardly never happens, but...
Okay, 2 things. It seemed like a good idea. So number 1, it seemed like a good idea when I did it. And number 2, I'm not going to tell you, well, the box is about, it's not...
I get a big box.
Is it
bigger than the one in the corner?
No. But it's big enough. It's big enough that it wouldn't have fit through the window of the washing machine. The funny thing though is when you grab all that and then you just throw it in, right? It could have accidentally gotten washed if it would have fit. It wouldn't have. But yeah, I forgot, and but now I've
That
hidden
was
it.
good news.
Now I've hidden it in a new place.
Is it washable?
No, it's not washable.
What you wrap?
I'm not telling you what it is. I'm just telling you that I've hidden it in a new place, which I still can remember. And
But can it take water, or
I'm not
can it be destroyed? If you put it in the washing machine and you wash it, will it be destroyed?
I'm not saying anything.
This is like 20 questions.
No, this is not any questions at all.
What's that called? Do you have that in English?
The 20 questions competition, I'm
Yeah.
sure they do. Anyway, I'm not going to say anything
Jeopardy.
else. No, it's not Jeopardy.
No.
I've hidden the gift again. So far, so good. I still have another 5 days, and hopefully by Christmas Eve, I will still remember where it is. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
But now, Carlos, I think we have to stop because we have only 5 minutes, and I think we used them.
Yeah. Okay.
And I have something I have to look for.
No, you don't. You're terrible.
I know. Oh. No,
Not again.
That was not again.
No. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this podcast. We hope that you have been enjoying all the podcasts that we have been doing. Keep in mind, we do have a competition, and you can win. You're eligible to win a prize, which is a gift bag from ARNE CARLOS with our book, Make Your Own Idea Book, which we'll sign. And there's also a whole bunch of Prym needles in there.
Yeah.
And the way to become eligible for that is knit any ball from our advent calendar and post the images and on Instagram and tag them with ARNE CARLOS. Tag them with Sit and Knit for a Bit. In January, we're going to look at all the photos. We're going to select our favorites. I'm going to select one. Arne is going to select one. And there is going to be 2 lucky winners who will win this kit with all these gifts. And to become eligible to do it, you can only knit balls from the advent calendar. We will not accept any other kinds of balls, just the advent calendar balls from 2020. So off you go, knit, post. The more images you post, the more eligible you become. So this is a good thing. And we hope you've enjoyed the episode, right?
Yeah. And thumbs up if you liked the episode. Good eye, mate. I couldn't help it. And remember to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you won't miss the episode. And
Oh, no. You need to turn on the notifications.
no,
for
and
that.
if you turn on the notification, you won't miss the episode.
Ding, 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 ding. Because there's a bell.
There's a bell. And if you're, and also like if you're on the mailing list, it's even better, because then you will have all the news before other people, and sometimes you get a good bargain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for watching, and see you again tomorrow at the same time at the ARNE CARLOS HQ, so at the same place. We can't wait. Or actually, no, not really the same time. We will be back after tomorrow's Sit and Knit for a Bit
Because
podcast.
it's Sunday tomorrow.
So it's Sunday tomorrow. So thank you so much, and see you for 4th of Advent. Bye.
Bye. See you.